Day trading doesn't mean you trade every day. It actually means the opposite. And if you're sitting at the charts all day, trying to catch every move, that's the exact reason you're not profitable yet. Now, look, I've been trading for 8 years, and I've gone through the data behind thousands of traders to figure this out. And it turns out to be the best day traders only take 1 to 2 trades a day and do nothing half of the week. So in this video, I will show you how many real trades a day actually gives you. So why sitting at the charts quietly kills your account. And the simple pen and paper fix. And no, this is not another discipline lecture. It's fully mechanical. So basically, here's the thing, guys. Most people think day trading means you sit at the charts all day and grab every move you see. Buy here, sell there, jump on everything. But that's not trading. That's the fastest way to lose your money. Think of it like this way. A good day trader is a sniper, not a machine gunner. A machine gunner sprays bullets everywhere and hopes something hits. A sniper waits, sometimes for hours, takes one clean shot and walks away. That one shot is worth more than thousands of random ones. Here's why this matters for your account. In any trading session, the number of real chances is small, very small. The market only hands you a few clean setups a day. That's it. So when you try to catch every single move, you've stopped following your strategy. You've started guessing where the market goes next. And no, guessing is not a strategy, it's gambling. And let me show you exactly what I mean on a real chart. And you can see over here, this is one full trading session. Look how many moves there are. Tons, right? But watch, out of all of these, only this one and this one actually match our rules. Everything else is the trap. If you've traded all of them, you would be down for the day. Trade just these two. You're green. Same chart, completely different results. Does it make sense so far? Good, because this leads to something most people get totally wrong. Here's the thing. You cannot get 10 winning trades a day from one strategy. It's not possible. I don't care how good you are. And real day trading strategy gives you maybe 1 to 2 high quality trades a day. That's the truth. When someone forces 6, 7, 8 trades in a day, that's not a skill. That's not them working harder. It's gambling dressed up to look like an effort. Back to our sniper. A sniper doesn't take 10 shots to feel productive. He takes the one shot that counts. The trader who takes one clean trade and stops beats the trader who takes 8 and prays every single time. Just go back, test it, and you will see. And by the way, if you want the exact rules for what makes a setup high quality, the 4 simple patterns we trade, that's what we walk you through step by step inside our mentorship program. Link in the description below. But let's keep going, because the next part is where it really clicks. So I've been doing this for over 8 years, and I've gone deep into the data behind the OP investing methods. Thousands of trades. And here's what I found. Most day trading strategies, and I mean day trading, not scalping, only gives you 2 to 3 good days a week. That's it. 2, maybe 3 days where there's actually something worth trading. So what about the other 2 to 3 days? Your job on those days is to do absolutely nothing. Nothing. No trades. Sit on your hands. And I know that feels wrong. You sat down to trade, so you feel like you should trade. But that's the machine gunner talking. The sniper doesn't fire just because he showed up to work. He waits for the day the shot is there. Doing nothing is a trade. It just doesn't feel like the one. But here's where it gets dangerous. The longer you sit in front of the charts, the more likely you are to take a trade that you cannot explain. You know the feeling, right? You click buy, and half a second later, you're asking yourself, wait, why did I just do that? Let me tell you something. That's not a discipline problem. That's a tired brain problem. Your focus is kind of like a phone battery. You wake up at 100%. Every hour you stare at screen, watching every tick, it drains. By hour 4, you're at 10%. And a brain at 10% does not make good decisions. It makes any decision just to make the bad feeling of waiting go away. So you take a trade not because the setup is there, but just to escape the boredom and overthinking. That's how the good traders blow good accounts. Not from one big mistake, from slow drain, but thankfully, there's a simple fix for that. Real quick, we are on a mission to help 1 million people actually trade profitably. Not guessing, just making profits. So if this is giving you value right now, do me a favor, guys. Hit a follow and share it with someone who needs it. That's how we get there. Cool. Let's finish this. So here's the fix, and it's stupidly simple. The only way to stop draining your battery is to stop thinking while you trade. Sounds crazy, right? But that's the whole game. Get a pen and piece of paper, write all of your full trading plan, every step. When you enter, when you exit, when you do nothing. Then you just follow it. No thinking, no deciding the moment. You read your own plan and do what it says. It's like a sniper's checklist. He doesn't improvise the shot in the heat of the moment. He runs the same steps he wrote down, cold and calm. You do the same, so mechanical that even your grandma could follow it. But this is a big but. Writing the plan is only half of the battle. The other half is making sure the strategy behind that plan is fully mechanical. Your rules have to be so clear you can't argue with them. Because if your strategy is vague, full of it depends, and you use your judgment, then no plan will save you. You will be still guessing, you will be still drained out. The plan is only as good as the rules behind it. So let me bring it all home. Day trading is not about trading every day. It's the opposite. You are a sniper, you wait for 1 to 2 clean shots, you take them, and the rest of the time you do nothing on purpose. You protect your mental battery by following a written plan instead of thinking. And that plan only works if your strategy is fully mechanical. That's it. That's the whole thing. Now, if you're sitting there going, okay, Islam, but where do I get a fully mechanical strategy? I've got you. I put together a free training that breaks down 4 simple patterns we use to get your first consistently profitable months. No guessing trades, no staring at charts all day, just clear rules you can follow. It's a first link in the description below. Go watch it, and I will see you inside.